make sure we're not gonna dribble here. And we're gonna kind of start in the middle here. If you need to do it in 2 strokes, totally fine. If you're feeling confident, go for it. All right, so I stopped right before the edge so I can clean it up. I really want convincing negative space here. All right, and following along in the opposite direction. If I need to clean that up later, I have plenty of space. And again, twirling my fingers slightly, but letting that brush do all the work. Now I'm gonna wanna come in and clean up my negative space. You could see I've got a little bit of wiggle here, totally fine. We'll just come in and just kiss that edge a little bit. And then I really wanna focus on this finishing stroke here. And you should be doing a really light touch for this. The harder you press, the more your bristles will spread out. And especially for something like this, you don't want to have any accidents. So now this is when I'll probably want to really finesse my edges. So I'm just using the tip to almost draw my final strokes. And then maybe during this time you might be running out of paint, so make sure it's not too late. You don't want dry bristles making any mistakes. And then, I'm just gonna pull this across here. And then, if you need to pull that down. We're taking our time. We're not necessarily doing a paint by number because you do still need to do all the brush strokes, but we are making sure we have clean edges and we're not rushing. Again, looking at my negative space. And the more you practice looking at your negative space, you'll be able to notice, anomalies in your lettering. So I'm just really trying to clean that up. All right, and that C looks pretty good to me. I've got a pretty good negative space here and around the letter. I do notice that maybe my thickness is a little off here, but for the most part, we're just really focusing on making a clean negative space because these are letters made by people and they should definitely look human. So I'd be pretty happy with that C.